Hi guys! Today we are going to blur the background on Picsart. If you want your photo or video to look more professional and clean, this trick is honestly super useful. So let's jump straight into the steps and get it done quickly. First of all, unlock your phone and open the Picsart app from your home screen. Once the app opens, you'll see the main dashboard where all editing tools are available. Don't worry if it looks busy because we only need one option here. So just stay focused and follow along. Now at the bottom area of the screen, you'll see the option to edit an image or video. Tap on it and your gallery will open automatically. This is where you can choose the photo or video you want to edit. Luckily, Picsart makes this step very simple and quick. Once your gallery opens, choose the image or video that you want to blur the background of. After selecting it, the file will import into Picsart Editor. Give it a second to load properly, and then you'll be ready for the main editing step. Now look at the bottom left side and you'll see the effects option. Tap on it because this is where all the visual filters and blur tools are available. Honestly, this is the most important step, so make sure you tap the correct option here. Now choose any free blur filter that looks best for your photo or video. Tap on it once, and then tap again if needed to apply it properly. You'll instantly notice the background getting softer and cleaner, which makes the subject stand out more. Next, adjust the blur strength according to your liking. If you want a soft, natural look, keep it medium. If you want a stronger effect, increase it more. This part depends on your style, so take a moment and set it perfectly. Once everything looks good, tap on Apply at the top right side. This saves the blur effect to your image or video inside the editor. Now your background is blurred successfully, and the results should already look much better. Finally, tap on the Export or Save button from the top right side. Your edited image or video will be saved to your gallery. And just like that, you've blurred the background using Picsart in only a few simple steps. So guys, that's how you can blur the background on Picsart easily. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more useful tutorials and comment below what video you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.